he doing?
About to go investigate.
Dave, what are you doing? This is the important stuff.
My brand new car.
Look at this. Like, this costs more than the Fox.
You know what costs more than the Fox?
What costs more than the Fox?
Joe's new street car!
Boom! Look how red it looks.
Does it look red in yours? Yeah, kind of.
Check out those signs.
What color is it actually?
It's actually orange. You can't tell from this, but... Welcome to the new car that I've had for a long time. I mean, not too long. Like
only 4 months.
Only 4 months. Hold on.
and
Let's check out the sign. Let's check out the sign. Oh, look at that.
That's sick.
I hate this camera zoom. It's like so bad.
Yeah. Look at that sign. Wouldn't you want a picture of your car here?
Wouldn't you want a picture of your car here? And that sign changes color, so we can make it any color.
Yeah, whatever color your car is.
Whatever color your car is, we can
What
make
color
it.
is that?
It's code orange.
You have to tell them the backstory and why.
What is the backstory of this thing? I don't remember. It's been so long.
It's close to your comp orange you had.
It is very close to the competition orange. I'm a big competition orange fan, so I had a comp orange 2015 Mustang that I actually did a twin turbo kit on. That's what actually started my twin turbo S550s. I was one of the first 10 that did twins on an S550.
And there was no trans tuning.
There was no, they hadn't figured out the 6R80 yet. Like, it was one of the reasons I got rid of the car was because they couldn't get a handle on the shifting. It was terrible. It's terrible. But yeah, it was like June of 2015 is when I turboed the S550, yeah. I bought it October of 14, and then I pre-ordered it like March, April, and it came in June, was their first run. It was their first run of 10 beta kits.
Damn.
And then I was the first person to do like a personal install.
Yeah.
Like every other one went to a shop. But anyways, so here it is, 2022 GT500. So I actually have had this for about 3 or 4 months. I got it and I just haven't had room to have it at the house. So it's been sitting in storage waiting. But realistically, I've been waiting for the CDX package.
That is true.
Like, I don't want to be no little wussy
We can't
driving around a stock ass vehicle.
Although you did say for a little bit, you were like, I might just keep it.
No, I did not say that. You're lying. Oh, I need to put my hoodie on, Dave. Anyways, so 2022 Code Orange GT500 with the carbon fiber track pack and the technology package. And it's got the Recaros, which I don't know if the Recaros were an option for carbon fiber track packs. I think they were forced. You have to get the Recaros.
They're sick.
So, backseat delete, carbon fiber track pack, Recaros, technology package. And yeah, so here it is. So I'm going to call this the new test mule for Coyote Direct and Streetcar Joe.
I said you're getting a special package. It's called the CDX 2000.
Woo! That comes with a built RPG engine, a custom Streetcar Joe twin turbo kit, Turbo 400 swap by yours truly, and a Motec package. Perfect. Let's do it.
Just send $200,000.
Waiting on you. Oh yeah, we're gonna do what are we gonna call ours? The Code Orange package. Code Orange. Ford may come after us. But yeah, so here it is. And realistically, like, I was just wanting a cool car and yeah, expanding the fleet. And I have really loved the new GT500 since they came out. I originally didn't really care for the color. What was the other orange? Twister orange?
Yeah.
It's just too bright. Yeah, it's too bright. I like this style orange. So I wasn't really looking, I kind of wanted a white one, but it's like, man, if I'm going to do a cool car like this, like, I don't want white. I want, white's clean, don't get me wrong, it looks amazing, but like, I wanted something bright again. So, what are you doing?
Just for my photo. Don't worry about me.
Okay, don't worry about that. Dave's taking some photos, so we're actually doing a couple things here. So we're doing a promotion package. So Dave is offering packages for the GT500.
Come on down to Coyote Direct. Say, I want the CDX 800, CDX 900, CDX 1000, or the CDX 2000.
Yes.
But you can't probably afford the 2000, I'm sorry.
I think, is that like reverse psychology by telling someone they can't afford it?
It's true, then they buy it.
So anyways, but yeah, so Dave's offering a package and we're doing all the packages on this one first.
Yes.
So we're starting off with the CDX 800. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna do like before and after 60 to 130 times. We're gonna do like, I think we wanna go take it to a dyno, right? We're gonna go take it to a hub dyno? Might as well. Yeah,
it's right next
there we
door.
go, right next door. Hub dyno, next door. But yeah, so we're gonna do all the packages on mine. So the first one's like pulley, cold air, tune, and like mid pipes. And that's like 800 horsepower, boom. And then the 900 package is a fuel system with E85. And then they make like 900. I mean, I think that package, it almost makes like 900 of the tires, right? Where'd he go?
Oh, easy.
Easy, he's taking photos, so we'll watch out. So then we're doing the CDX, 900, and then the CDX 1000 is like ported blower and all that stuff. What?
Max effort without going whipple.
Yeah, max effort without going whipple. So that's like injectors and a whole bunch.
You're gonna have some IAT issues. We upgrade the brick, but
methanol, never mind. Anyways. Anyway, so that's kind of the plans for it. It's been in storage, like I've had lots of stuff going on. We're working on lots, and then we're moving all these shops. So it's been a ton. I haven't had to able to get out the car and give you a proper introduction. But here it is. So I really haven't done anything to it yet. I tinted the windows. That's all I did.
damn.
Continue the vlog. Okay. So
Available now at CoyoteDirect.com.
look at the back of the shirt. Read the back of the shirt. Okay. You wanted to start.
I gave Lund a shirt that says that. He's like, dude, I can't wear this in front of my family.
Dave, turn off the lights. On the ground, outside the door. That's it. I mean, nothing makes it cooler when you're in a crowded area and you go to open your door at night and you got, a snake on the ground.
I mean, it's true. It's true.
It's cool. And then you come out with like your matching orange GT500 shirt, ready to go. Oh, let's see that sneak peek again. Sorry, we messed up some footage, so I gotta show you the sneak peek. Dave's out here doing masterpieces. Look at that.
go back.
Look at that. That's such a sick photo.
Call me now for your free media package.
Oh, well, it's not free. It's not free. But no, so that is something good to bring up. We are going to be doing like a media package. So if you get your car worked on either here or Dave's shop, we're going to offer a media package where we're going to take a bunch of professional photos, edit them, post them on our social media, share them with you. Like it's a whole package that we're going to offer. Details will be coming soon on that. But yeah. Dave got a new camera, so he's like nerding out back into it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for Kennedy to come back. We were the duo.
I'm a little...
I can't wait for y'all to do a wedding.
Drew's wedding.
I'm just saying, isn't that what got y'all out of photography? I feel like you started doing weddings and then you sold all your cameras.
Do not ask me to shoot you or your wedding or people.
I was about to say, what about my kid?
No.
Oh, burn. But so we're, and then we need to talk, let's do it outside. No, like I want to do this during the daytime because I'm going to do a bunch of burnouts in the back.
Next video.
Okay, next video. Next video, Joe doing donuts in his brand new GT500.
How to break in your brand new GT500.
Oh no, that's perfect. Dude, could you imagine that reel?
I mean, we're definitely getting kicked out of here.
Oh yeah. We're going to be looking for new shop space starting next weekend.
1 week.
No hub dynos after 10 p.m.
Gosh, look at that car. It looks so good.
Does it not photograph on your phone good right there?
I don't know. Hold on. We'll be back. We're gonna wrap this up and talk about like the packages and where we're at as a shop, and this will just be like a quick update video. And here's my new street car. Does that not look red to you?
Yeah, but
Let's compare colors here.
No,
hey, would you quit, asshole? So is it just my phone? Something that kind of does look
mine's
orange.
reddish.
So I think the lighting in here is pretty good.
Lighting in here is amazing.
Wait till I get my new lighting. Yeah, I was about to say, can someone take that photo? That's a really good photo. All right, we'll be back to wrap up this video. Dave's gonna get some more awesome video. Check out, what? You want to do the garage?
You should be building my headers.
All right, we're gonna go to the other shop and talk to you in a second. This is your cue.
Hello? Opportunity. This is for the GT500.
This, if you ever want to know what a $6,000 turbo looks like, this is it.
Oh, I got ripped off.
But look.
Look at
Oh, billet backplate, billet center section, stainless housing. Oof.
In stock at Coyote Direct Fox.
You are not selling that.
No, I can get it.
You are not selling it. Oh, finally, it turns off. Okay, so fast forward, we moved over from Streetcar Joe's shop to Coyote Direct. There is,
You are in my waters right now.
let me get into my side of this shop. So, Schmoopy's car, ready to get worked on. We're just waiting for the lift, and we're gonna be hard at it, but check out what's here, everyone. Besides Dave. Whew. The Fox, it's here. So those that don't know, like I picked this car up early this year, and then Dave ended up selling the S550, right deal, right time kind of thing, opportunity. And then he was starting to look for a Fox. He was looking for a lightweight Fox, for those that don't know. And I was like, hey dummy, why are we both gonna build the same car? Like that makes no sense. So Dave,
went down. It actually went down as, hey, I want to buy this GT500. Can you buy my Fox?
no, I didn't even mention the GT500 until the deal was done. But anyways, Dave bought, get that stuff off of the car. It looks terrible. You need to go lower.
Really?
Lower.
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 No, I want above the well pan.
Don't stick your leg in here.
Yeah. That's too low.
If you stick your leg in here, that is what happens. Okay.
It's too low. I want it right here.
No, that's where I was gonna put it. A little lower.
No.
No, a little lower. Anyways, so Dave owns the, what are you calling it? 50-50? No, you're calling it Two-Face. Two-Face. Dave owns Two-Face. And yeah, so, and those that don't know, also, while I had it, I had mocked all this up and like I did all the brackets. So I was going to put a Coyote in it. Traitor. All my LS fans all of a sudden hate me. But I was going to put a Coyote in it. Anyways, long story short, Dave owns it now. Look at that ride height.
It's so sick.
It's so sick.
When you jack up your car and the tires stay in the fender, you got gangster ride height.
Gangster ride height. I noticed you changed out the steering wheel.
You like that, huh?
I noticed. Oh, let me get to the other side so you can see the back. Like this car is amazing. Amazing. Like look how clean the cage work and the tubs and the tin work and everything. This car is amazing. Amazing, amazing. So I'm super pumped that I still get to be a part of the project. We're gonna start headers like immediately. Mount the turbo, get the turbo kit so we can paint the front end, and then it's full steam ahead. We're gonna wire it, got a bunch of awesome wiring stuff for it. Dave's gonna plumb it and get everything, custom fuel cell. Like, it's just got so much great stuff, and we're full steam ahead. This car will be at 2K.
Really?
Will be at 2K, unless Dave's slacking, but whatever. And then this car, we're gonna be testing this car hopefully come the start of the year.
That thing will be in the trailer in February and just waiting to go to.
Yeah, no. We're gonna test it like the first week of January, find some stuff we need to upgrade it, test it again late January, run amazing times, and then it'll go into the trailer and wait for 2K.
We're not gonna even post the times that we run in January, because we're showing up to 2K just
boom!
swinging.
Was that just big swinging? Is that what that is? Okay.
Yeah, swinging.
Swinging. Oh my God. Holy shit.
But you know, flip around and find out.
She said that it's cold out?
She said, look around and find out. Oh my gosh. Demonetized. Okay, so wrapping this video up, stay tuned. Lots of great stuff coming. We're finishing this stuff out. We're already working on the Fox in the new shop. This, if you haven't seen the other videos, this is going to be where the chassis and turbo fabrication for Streetcar Joe happens. All the tooling's moving in. We're waiting for doors. See, there's a door there that leads to our like part storage area. There's gonna be a door there that leads to Streetcar Joe's awesome shop. So this is gonna be the turbo kit, tooling, and then chassis stuff here, fab. Oh, we got awesome fab table on the way. So all that's coming. Anything to wrap up? What have we forgotten? Like, it's all coming really quick. Oh, I need to mention turbo kit.
Oh, the
free turbo kit. Get on Coyote Direct. That doesn't have your website on it.
Oh, sorry. Coyote Direct.
Coyote Direct. Get on Coyote Direct.
.com.
Is that your? Anyways.
.com.
.com. Go to Coyote Direct or go to onlycoyotes.com.
Oh, that's right.
Onlycoyotes.com. And you buy anything. Every dollar you spend is one entry for a free Streetcar Joe turbo kit.
They're free.
Boom.
I'm buying the turbo, the wastegate, the blow-up valve. Joe's bill.
And he's paying all my labor. What a nice guy.
No.
Yeah. So what else? What did you have for the video?
If you want to get your GT500 worked on, we have all the stuff in stock. CDX 800, CDX 900, CDX 1000.
In stock. Why are you not working on my car?
You haven't paid your bills. There's an invoice in your email.
Yeah, hold on. Right. Yeah, wait. Okay, so GT500s, Dave is officially offering the packages. Are they on the website yet?
No.
Get them on the website. You got to call the order. Okay.
It has to be installed here.
Okay. And yeah, we're not like, special. I can't wait. These badges are going to be amazing. Amazing. So keep an eye out for social media. A lot of stuff is in the works that we're not even talking about yet. Tons of stuff. Look, I hear a cammed LS outside right now.
You did say it would work.
Coyote Direct, cammed LS's, come here. We will install it. Well, all right, we're wrapping this up. See you guys in the next one. Lots of good stuff is coming. Stay tuned.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Comment, like, subscribe.